I want to share with you 3 ways to de-stress the home buying process. I mean, the home buying process can be intense all by itself, but right now we're coming out of a pandemic, we're headed towards a recession, and everybody's talking about a housing bubble. It can be a little stressful. Well, buying a home shouldn't be stressful, and I hope it's repeatable. I hope this is the kind of thing that you don't only do once, but twice or 3 times. That's where the magic is. That's where I talk about investing in real estate, building multi-generational wealth. And there are videos linked to this one talking about just that. But right now, I really want to hyper-focus on the first-time home buyer and those 3 things that can actually simplify what could be complicated. So here's number 1. Number 1 is the lock and shop. So this allows you to lock in an interest rate for the next 90 days, then allows you to extend it for 30 days during your contract period. If interest rates go up during that time, you're locked in. If interest rates go down, we can negotiate or renegotiate that rate. This allows you to bank on knowing what that monthly payment will be at the time you get approved to the time you go under contract and close. That's a pretty big deal because with rate volatility right now, we've had people that were qualified for one amount, and when rates went up, they no longer qualified. And it can be really depressing if you finally find that house of your dreams within your pre-approved budget. The number 2 really goes hand in hand. It's a TBD underwrite. So you have to get a TBD underwrite in order to unlock the lock and shop. And this is where we gather all of your documents, submit it to an underwriter, and get you fully underwritten. It goes an extra step. This allows you to know with 100% certainty that you're fully approved. Now all we have to do is approve the house. You have to do or want to do your inspection, and then we have to do our appraisal. Now, we could get an appraisal waiver, again, another topic and another video. But we want to make sure that you as the borrower can be fully underwritten so that we can tell the listing agent that you are the same as cash when it comes to an underwriting approval. You can even waive loan availability deadline. This not only gives you the ability to have security, but also to move quickly. You could close in 8 to 10 days and then have the lock and shop, knowing that your monthly payment will not go up a penny. Number 3, knowing what your needs versus your wants. Well, that doesn't necessarily seem like a trick, but it is. Right now, we're seeing an increase in inventory, but those homes that are priced right and staged right, well, they're still moving very quickly. So if you walk into a home and it checks all of your needs buckets and it checks most of the wants, this is a home you might want to consider putting an offer in quickly. That's going to help you make that decision. Getting the TBD underwrite is going to let you move quickly. And then being able to have that lock and shop in your back pocket, you know exactly what that house is going to cost you every month. And that gives you the trifecta of de-stressing the home buying process.